What's going YouTube? I'm Grace. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I transformed this boring sweater into something trading, something cute. It's two pieces, a top and a skirt. So if you wanna see how I achieved that look, please continue watching, and if it's your first time in this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. So I started by cutting this sweater into two pieces, so let's do this. So I'm done with the top. Let me work on the skirt now. I'm done with my skirt, and baby, this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section, will you try something like this? Because I love this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. So let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to share with your sister, with your grandma, with your mommy, everybody, man, because sharing is caring. So bye bye, guys.